In modern industries, seamless aluminum tubes are essential for aerospace-grade cooling systems and high-pressure hydraulic lines. But how does a flawless, weld-free aluminum tube start from a solid billet? Today, we reveal the full process behind seamless aluminum tubes, backward extrusion, multi-pass rolling, and precision straightening. A seamless aluminum tube is produced without any welding line along its circumference. Its greatest advantages include higher pressure resistance, uniform mechanical properties, zero weld defects, high reliability for demanding applications. Unlike traditional piercing, seamless aluminum tubes use backward extrusion where the metal flows in the opposite direction of the ram. The die and mandrel create an annular gap, forming the inner and outer diameter simultaneously. After backward extrusion, the tube enters the multi-pass rolling stage. Rolling improves wall thickness, uniformity, surface quality, tolerance, control, mechanical strength. Next, precision straightening ensures excellent straightness and dimensional consistency. This step guarantees the final tube meets aerospace-grade and heat exchanger standards. The complete manufacturing chain is backward extrusion gives multi-pass rolling gives precision straightening. Each step enhances quality, ensuring a true seamless aluminum tube with zero welds, uniform tolerance, and excellent surface finish. These tubes are widely used in aerospace hydraulic systems, cooling pipelines, high-pressure refrigeration lines, heat exchanger coils. We manufacture seamless aluminum tubes using high-performance alloys from the 2000, 5000, 6000, and 7000 series. Custom extrusion ratios, wall thickness, precision rolling, and heat treatment options are available. If you need high-performance seamless aluminum tubes for aerospace, or industrial systems, contact us for a quotation, samples, or technical consultation.